Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to reset your Twitch TV password. First, click on browser, go to twitch.tv, click on login button shown on the top right side of your screen. Click on travel logging in link. Enter your username, email, click on I am not a robot, click on send instruction button. Now Twitch TV has sent a password reset email. Check your email. Click on the reset your password. Enter your new password. Your new password should be combination of upper and lower cases, number and special characters. Click on set password button. Now your password has been successfully reset. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.